Alright, this video is unrelated to the Camaro, you know, but the neighbor decided he wanted to do a LS swap, so he upgraded his rear end. It had drum brakes in the back. He upgraded to the disc brakes. Let me show you what else he decided to do. That's the old rear. Chevy Caprice. Let's see what's under here. Oh, look at that. Looks like an LS 6.0. That's the LS Swap the World. Just got some parts in for the Camaro. So I'm also going to be showing a few of those, probably in another video. This was just a little quick video because he just got that done. Haven't done anything else to it. She's still sitting right there, looking pretty. But I haven't done anything else to it so far. Next thing I'm gonna be doing is dropping off the block. Let me show you the block. Excuse the junk. Working on so many other cars over here. Had to change a compressor, AC compressor on a 2005 GMC Envoy. That is way down there. Let me tell you, changing the compressor and the AC system on this thing is terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. This is a 4-wheel drive, so repair on this was just horrible. But I'm pretty much done with it. I think the blend door actuator is out on it. AC is blowing very cold right now. Here's my 6.0. It's all dirty. Got all the caps out. I've already disassembled it. I should have made a video of me disassembling it. I completely forgot. But yeah, it's gutted. Bare block. It's ready to go to the shop. I'm gonna send it to Westside Performance. I'm probably gonna do just a light honing on all the cylinders. I'm gonna have them install some new cam bearings for me. But I'm gonna assemble the motor myself. I'm gonna put everything back in myself. I will make a video. I will make a few videos of me assembling the motor back together. I'm still undecided of what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna just keep it a 6.0 or if I'm gonna stroke it to a 408. I don't know. Don't know yet. Don't know yet. Decisions, decisions, decisions. But yeah, we're LS swapping everything around here. We got a 300ZX also. Has a 5.3, nice size cam in it. Next time it's back over here, I'll do a little video of that. Until then, everybody be cool, man.